Fake Snapchat public profile not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and search for Snapchat application over here. So just make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. As you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application on our device. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Snapchat and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of storage. So you just have a tap on the manage space option over here and you can just clear data or you can delete app data if it's possible for you. Then I'm going to tap on back and then all you have to do is go to the app permissions and then select on all of these options. So just give them this access. After that, go back and then re-log into your Snapchat application and this might help you fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.